why the Guinness Surfer ad is one of the best ever and what it teaches us about branding. Hey guys, welcome back. Today, we're talking about one of the greatest ads of all time, the Guinness Surfer ad from 1999. Now, you might be thinking, why are we talking about a beer commercial from over 20 years ago? Well, this ad wasn't just a commercial, it was an experience. And if you're into marketing, branding, or just cool storytelling, this is a masterclass in how to make an audience feel something. So let's break it down. Why was this ad so good? And what can we learn from it? First, what's the ad about? Picture this. A surfer standing in the ocean, waiting for the perfect wave. The tension builds, the music swells, and then boom. Suddenly, these massive white horses come crashing through the waves. It's dramatic, intense, and totally unexpected. And then the slogan, "Good things come to those who wait." That's it. No flashy product shots, no generic sales, pitch just a simple but powerful message. And that's exactly what made it unforgettable. But why this ad was so effective? First, it told a story. This ad wasn't just about beer, it was about patience, dedication, and the thrill of the payoff. It made waiting for a pint of Guinness feel like an epic journey. Second, it looked insane. The black and white cinematography, stunning. The imagery of horses crashing through the waves, straight up legendary. It felt more like a Hollywood movie than a commercial. Third, the music and voiceover were perfect. The deep poetic narration, inspired by Moby Dick, made it feel mythical. The soundtrack Left Field's Fat Planet added so much intensity. It all combined to create this hypnotic, unforgettable vibe. Anyway, what this teaches us about branding. So what can we actually learn from this? Well, creative advertising isn't just about selling a product, it's about selling an idea, a feeling, a lifestyle. Think about it. It built a strong brand identity. Guinness became more than just a drink, it became a symbol of patience, quality, and greatness. It made people feel something. When an ad gives you chills, makes you laugh, or inspires you, you're going to remember it. It got people talking. This ad became a cultural moment. People still reference it today. It turned a simple product into an experience. Guinness isn't just a beer, you drink it, something you wait for, something that's worth it. Final thoughts on this. At the end of the day, this ad proves one thing. If you want to build a brand that lasts, don't just sell a product, sell a story. And whether you're running a business, making content, or just love creative marketing, the best brands make you feel something. All right, that's it for today. If you like this breakdown, hit that like button, subscribe for more, and let me know in the comments what's your favorite ad of all time. See you in the next one.